everybody poops, then why can't so many of us poop in public without panicking or feeling embarrassed? We, the people, to form a more perfect union, need to get rid of all this ridiculous public pooping anxiety. So let's talk about how and why the struggles of pooping in public exist. Plus, some tips that you can use when you're pooping in a stall with the line halfway out the door, waiting for you to finish your dump. Hi everybody, I'm Carrie, your tushy enthusiast and better booty advocate. So, what's the deal with poop anxiety? Is it all in your head or is it actually in your gut? Let's find out. Comment below if you struggle with public pooping and share one of your funniest experiences. But let's be honest, public bathrooms suck. Even if you're in the Ritz-Carlton hotel lobby bathroom, few things in life are worse than sharing a bathroom with strangers who are reeking farts and groans. How the heck are you supposed to poop when you're about to vom? The toilet paper's thin, there's drops of pee on the seat, and they're usually out of hand towels. Well, maybe not at the Ritz, but can we just talk about how those hand dryers are definitely recirculating fart air? Hey, just saying. All right, I've said my piece on public bathrooms, but why can't we just acknowledge the struggle and then move on and have a happy bowel movement? What's going on in our heads and in our guts that's making it so damn hard to just let loose? Hey, I'm Dr. Carrie. Take a seat and I'll tell you why public pooping is so freaking difficult. Because luckily, I'm not just your better booty advocate, I also have my PhD in poop psychology, poopology if you will. So have you ever noticed that even if you're sprinting to the public restroom a minute ago, the second you pop a squat, you're so constipated that the toilet bowl turns into a farting loudspeaker? Or maybe you have the opposite problem, where you're so stressed in the stall that you can't stop having diarrhea. So the problem is that whenever you feel anxiety and you psych yourself out, your colon senses it, and it either freaks out or it tenses up. Your brain and your gut constantly are passing chemicals back and forth to each other, like the hormone serotonin, through something called the enteric nervous system. So 95% of our body's serotonin is produced in the gut, and when you're anxious, more serotonin is released and you can definitely feel the effects. That's actually why you get the runs when you're super nervous, butterflies when you have a crush, or that sinking feeling when you realize you're in a bad situation. That's your serotonin. Pretty cool stuff, huh? But not so cool when you're trying to dump and run out of the airport terminal bathroom. So since I'm a psychologist and a doctor now, not really. I came prepared with a few things that might help you get through the trials and tribulations of pooping in public. But before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on gut, butt, and poop health, and hit that bell so you get notified every single time we post new videos. The first tip to overcoming your public pooping anxiety is to know that most of the people in the bathroom with you have the same fear. Remember that Kardashians episode where Kendall and Kylie follow Kris into the public stalls to force her out of her bathroom anxiety? Celebs struggle with it too, so even if you aren't shitting with the stars very often, just know that you're not alone in your pooping panic. No one's judging you. Tip number 2. Bring your headphones and turn up the tunes. If you can't hear your own farts, they didn't happen, right? Just trust me on this one. It really does help. Have you ever left your class or office to go to the bathroom for a few minutes and then you start imagining that every single person is gonna turn around and stare at you as you come back in? And of course, they're probably whispering to each other about how you've been pooping, right? Okay, so let's get one thing straight, which is that literally no one actually does that or gives a shit. So the next time that you're in a stall, the third piece of advice is to just take deep breaths and focus on your breath. Use the calming breath or the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and then exhale for 8. This relaxes the parasympathetic nervous system, which controls your bodily functions and takes you out of the fight or flight mode so that you can relax and finally poop. Your time in the bathroom will go by a lot faster if you just focus on your breath instead of imagining your coworkers gossiping about your intestines, which is not even happening. All right, tip number 4 is what some may call visualization, but what I call picturing every member of public office taking the loudest dump of their life at the Capitol building during their 5-minute recess. Hey, public speakers are supposed to picture everyone in the audience naked, right? So why not picture people in powerful positions on the toilet? And then the next time you hear a story about something stupid a politician did, just remember your visualizations. Half the stress of being in a public bathroom is when you realize there isn't enough toilet paper, the toilet paper sucks more than usual, or God forbid, you literally have to beg your neighbor to pass you a couple squares underneath the stall. So for tip number 5, Just don't worry about toilet paper in the first place, which is super easy to do when you have the Tushy Travel, aka the #1 portable bidet in history. It's sleek, collapsible, and a discreet butt washing device. And as a refresher, bidets wash your bumhole with a fresh stream of water instead of smudging poop around like shitty one-ply toilet paper. And with the Tushy Travel, all you have to do is fill it up with water at a temperature of your choice, squeeze it, and then you'll be able to get super clean on the go. It even comes with its own carrying case and a carabiner. It looks like a water bottle, but it feels like $1,000,000. We have a tutorial on the Tushy Travel, which is linked in the description below. And when you're done being out and about, you can look forward to coming home to your Tushy Classic spa bidet attachments or your Tushy Ace electric bidet. We're releasing a new video comparing the 3 types of bidets, so check that out to figure out the best bidet for you. So there you have it, some psychology, a few little tips, and an awesome product that's gonna turn your 1-star public bathroom experience into a 5-star butt spa that you deserve. And seriously, when can we start doing Yelp reviews for public bathrooms? Like, that needs to become a thing. If you're ready to join the Clean Butt Club and get your very own Tushy Travel or other Tushy bidets, head over to hellotushy.com/vlog to order and to learn more. And if this video gave you a little more confidence to go blow up your local public restroom, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss any of the poop scoop. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and happy pooping.